Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Muhammad Faizan, and today in this video we'll talk about what is SAP, a small overview of SAP, and what are the modules that are offered in SAP. So SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. Some people normally they pronounce it as SAP, but it is an initialism, not an acronym. So we can pronounce it as SAP. And there is another misunderstanding that people think that SAP is an ERP system or an ERP software. I would say which is not the case, but SAP is one of the world's leading producers of software for the management of business processes, developing solutions that facilitate effective data processing and information flow across the organizations. So there are different SAP products which we'll talk about in later videos. SAP company was founded in 1972 and the initial name was System Analysis Program Development, and later it changed to SAP. And since then it has grown from a small 5% company to a multinational enterprise, and its headquarters is in Walldorf, Germany, and it is having more than 100,000 employees worldwide. When we categorize the modules of SAP, so basically we categorize them in two different areas, the technical one and the functional one. So the technical area or the technical modules are basically the two modules, which is ABAP and the basis. So the people or the individuals, those who work for these modules are called the consultants. ABAP is basically advanced business application programming. So ABAP consultants, they specialize in the programming language used for the customizing and developing applications within the SAP system. They are responsible for creating different custom programs, reports and interfaces that integrates the SAP system and meet the specific requirements of an organization. So basically these individuals are the programmers. They create different custom programs based on the requirements, create the reports. On the other hand, the basis consultants, they are basically the guys, those who do the system administration and management of SAP system and its underlying infrastructure. They are basically responsible for installation of SAP systems, configurations, maintenance of the system, and also they take the database backups, like they work with the operating system and the network. And basis consultants also ensure the security, performance and reliability of the system. Security means the security of SAP system, as well as to restrict the business users as per their job roles, authorizations, security, and also they are responsible to optimize the performance of SAP system, that the performance shouldn't be compromised, and also the reliability of the SAP system should also be ensured. So basically these are the guys, those who work in all these areas. The functional area, basically they are the guys, those who work for in different modules like financials, or also known as the FICO consultants. This functional module, this includes the financial accounting, cost accounting, financial planning and analysis, etc. The SCM consultants or the SCM, so these are the guys, those who work in SCM module. This is basically related to the materials management, production planning, sales and distribution. And after that we have HCM. This includes modules for human resource management, payroll, timesheets, employee self-service, and the other module is the CRM or the customer relationship management. This includes the customer relationship management, marketing, sales, and the procurement module or the MM. Basically it is related to the purchasing and the vendor management. And then the project system, this is for project controlling, project systems management, And the plant maintenance, it includes maintenance planning, execution, maintenance notification, and equipment management. Similarly, we have another module called quality management. It is basically related to quality planning and control, inspection, processing, and certification. There are many other different functional modules, for example, production planning and many other, but I have listed here only modules which are very common. And also each module can be customized to meet the specific needs of an organization, and the modules can also be integrated with one another to provide a complete and integrated solution. So basically this was the small introduction about SAP and SAP modules and the consultants, those who work in these modules. So now a question arises that what module we should opt. So this is a very common question that is asked multiple times on my YouTube channel. So just to answer them precisely, I would say if you have done the MBA in the finance, so I would say that FICO or the financials is best suited module for you, because you already know what is the financial accounting, what is the cost accounting, ledgers, balance sheets, and all these things. You are already familiar with the terminology, so this is the best suited module for you. Similarly, the guys who has done their degree in supply chain management, SCM is best for them, and MBA HR. So for HR people, this human resource or the human capital management module, HCM, is best for them. CRM is for those who has done the degree in the relationship management or MBA in sales marketing. And similarly, you can opt for any module as you like. So there is nothing specific that if you have done your degree in finance, so you will be doing only finance. It's not like that. It is always based on your personal choice, but the recommendation is always you go for the module, or you opt for the module which is closer to your degree or your education. So I think this is it. So we'll continue further videos in more details. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like video and also subscribe to the channel for more similar videos. Thank you. Goodbye.